Mike Innovative Door. They said it couldn't be done, and we did it again. 8x6, low head, no side room, as you can see, jammed up against the brick there. We put in some mollies there and down there, going right into the brick and down there, because there's no way to put any jam brackets on. And low head Horman 3200 and golden grams here. They said it couldn't be done. We put a window on there. Awesome insulated glass, 8x6, 3200, no headroom, no side room. Couldn't be done, and Innovative did it. Button, please. For all your garage door needs, Innovative Door, 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook. Hit it again, please. We'll like you. Thanks for watching our 8x6 door with windows, no headroom, no side room video. And as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Look at that. That looks awesome. Praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our video.